Alright.
I would just like to take this opportunity probably to... Oy, mga kaibigan ko dyan! No. Thank you, Kuya Egay, for embracing the responsibility maybe when tatay and nanay left. It's, hindi madali kasi na, napakahirap kasi nung nag-start kayo ng foundation nyo as partners and then you have these responsibilities aside from your partner, di ba? Salamat because you've been very supportive to us and we wouldn't be here kung not for your support and love for ate. And I'm sure Doc Mac, Dek, Gra, and me would agree on that one. Kung hindi mo mahal si ate, wala kami dito. So maraming salamat. Thank you so much. And to ate, of course, alam na natin lahat yun. Very mapagbigay. So, enjoy lang. Have a good night, guys. Yun lang. Hindi. Kayo, short and sweet lang. Thank you. Yun, salamat. You're the best brother-in-law. And maybe ikaw yung sukatan para magbago yung preference ko in the future.
Boss Dang, gusto mo ba nang magbago yung preference mo? May kasama ko. Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo dito.